to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is a car that we are not sure it was computer is bad or cast is bad, but finally we are able to get engine, computer, and the transmission. Engine, computer, the cast, and we made a key using auto hex. Yeah. We put the key, we put the computer. Okay, we're gonna come here. We put the key inside, we program the computer, and this is crypto encrypted, so I have to downgrade the cache and read I took the engine, computer out. As you see, I read the ISN, and when I use this machine here, it asked me to write down the ISN. I wrote down the ISN and I was able to start it. You see, this car is start. Fine, this car. As Hisham Isam, engineer from Egypt, he's also good. You can watch his channel. He's a good, and if you are in Egypt around here, if you have BMW or Mercedes or any European car, you need to work on it or you need to fix it, you can go to him. I'm noticing this one here. You see, when I put, this is 2010, you see here, go back, go to drive, in a few, it jump. So this jumping, is that because maybe there is a transmission issue, or is that because need to be the EWS have to be removed? I'm not sure. So let me go to coding again. Together we're gonna see what is the requirement. I'm going to turn the key, ignition on, engine is not running, and I want to see if we have something like can you call me Mr. Lou, because maybe in the process I have to disconnect the battery.
Olu?
Yeah, call Lou. In the process, if it has a EWS in the transmission. If it's not, this car maybe have a transmission issue. So right now I'm trying to communicate with it. Okay, here I'm going to I did not code the computer. I am not gonna code the engine, computer, but I go to cast management. We're gonna wait a little bit. Okay, now here, let me see number 3, which is say read write transmission, and here he say EG learn is started, ISN not learn, EG started, ISN not okay. I'm very surprised. So let me go to here and click next. I want to see if what is gonna say. Fail to get EGS ISN online. Why? Maybe it doesn't have it at all. Yeah. EGS learn started, EGS ISN not learn. EGS ISN started, EWS. Okay. I don't know what you mean by that. I don't know, but maybe this car have something else wrong. Maybe there is.
So you called me? You called for me?
Yeah, no,
What's
I was.
the problem?
So the way that it looked here, it looked like maybe we have a problem with the transmission itself. Who knows? Okay. Please, any idea? I know Hisham told me no, this car will not come with the transmission need to be unlocked. Here say EIS started, EWS, he says okay. If it's okay, maybe because the hood is open, I am not sure. But I'm gonna try to, I would try to tell you also which transmission. The computer that I'm using, it hopefully is not from another transmission or another car that have transmission issue. But let me go to the coding to tell you what car is it, which car has come out of it. Please give us a feedback. What do you think about it? But let me show you the car that we took the computer out of it. The good news is the car is start. Here, I will go back again to test those two cars and the computer. I will try to put the computer, read the ISN, write it into the computer, and come if the computer start. So that means the problem is the car is defect, because we have EWS manipulation. I will look for this later on. Okay, here, let me go to coding to show you. This is the computer that we have it, the donor computer, 2009, 2010, E60. Okay, the car is supposed to move. I'm gonna check one more thing. This is the donor car VIN number. This is the original car VIN number. Where is this here? Please, if you have any suggestion, let us know. I'm gonna close the hood and push the car back, and then we're gonna work on the diagnostic. Maybe I'm gonna use the dealer tools to see what happened. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video.